So this is garden shed, just a Bunnings brought garden shed. So I've just got in here a couple of racks, each end, paint, chemicals, petrol, and then your normal lawn mowing equipment. And I'll just show you how I pack this in. Blower lives up here. Take the catch off and sit that next to the blower. Whipper snipper just on a bracket. There's plenty of weight in that shelf. Just rests on there, like so. Lawnmower. And then I fold the handles down. And she lives in under the rack. And the lawn trimmer. At the moment I've just got her sitting there. There's a bit of moisture in there, so water can get on the ground just slightly, so I keep everything up off the ground. The lawn trimmer's fine because it's on the wheel, a bracket, and the mower's fine because it's on the wheels. And that's it, yeah, just a Bunnings shed.